You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
All right, welcome back, Curious Minds. Today, we're going to really dig into some fascinating tech shifts.
Yeah, definitely going beyond the headlines.
Exactly. We want to uncover what really matters for you. Forget the usual buzz. Let's zoom in on the stuff shaping tomorrow. Okay, let's unpack this collection of ideas and see what truly stands out for you today.
Right. Our goal here is to, connect the dots, give you a bit of a shortcut to understanding the critical implications, the surprising links driving innovation in our digital world.
And speaking of driving innovation, let's kick things off with NVIDIA. They've got this new robot brain out.
The Jetson AGX Thor.
That's the one, the developer kit. It's on sale now, $3,499. Not exactly cheap, but...
Well, considering what's inside.
Right. It's built on their powerful Blackwell graphics processor. That's the same architecture, powering the next-gen AI supercomputers. The big idea, giving robots, self-driving cars, that kind of thing, the power to run complex generative AI models right there on the device itself.
On the edge, yeah.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Well, what's insightful is how this speeds up putting advanced AI directly into physical systems, moving beyond just the cloud.
So, smarter robots on the factory floor.
Exactly. Imagine robots that can optimize their own work in real time, learning constantly without needing humans to reprogram every little thing. That's a huge leap from just automation to, well, truly autonomous systems.
Okay, so these smarter systems need smarter memory. All right. And that kind of leads us to Ultra RAM.
Oh, yeah, that's a potential game changer.
Sounds like it. This technology promises DRAM-like speeds.
Yeah.
The fast stuff your computer uses all the time.
Right, for active tasks.
But get this, with like 4,000 times the durability of NAND flash. That's your typical SSD or phone memory.
Which wears out eventually.
Yeah. And Ultra RAM. It could hold data for up to 1,000 years. Quinus Technology and IQE, they've apparently figured out how to make it scalably.
1,000 years. I mean, just think about that. It totally changes how we view data persistence.
Like digital archives that actually last.
Precisely. Scientific data, historical records, even your own digital stuff, lasting for millennia. Our digital memories could genuinely outlive us by centuries. It reshapes everything about long-term storage and access.
Wow. Okay, from super long-lasting digital storage to, well, energy storage. And this one might make you do a double take. Standard thermal.
Ah, yes, the dirt battery people.
Basically, they're pioneering this ultra-cheap energy solution, storing energy as heat in massive piles of dirt. Yes, actual dirt.
It sounds strange, but the physics work.
Apparently so. And it's incredibly cheap. Less than 10 cents per kilowatt-hour thermal. That's competitive with U.S. natural gas.
Which is pretty amazing for storage.
And it's 1,000 times cheaper than batteries. They reckon they can provide hundreds of megawatts just using available land.
What's fascinating here is the sheer practicality, the scale. Solar power is great, but it's intermittent.
Right, the sun doesn't always shine.
Exactly. This dirt storage offers a low-cost way to store that energy for long periods. Smooth out the bumps, make solar available 24/7.
That is a game changer for renewables, making clean energy reliable and affordable.
Definitely. It addresses a huge challenge for grid stability.
Okay, switching gears a bit, navigating the digital world. Google's making a big shift with Android security.
The side loading changes.
Yeah. Starting next year, they're going to block side-loading installing apps from outside the Play Store if the apps aren't verified.
So they want to verify all Android developers, even for apps distributed elsewhere.
That's the plan. They say it's to curb malware.
Which, okay, raises that classic question, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The balance between security and user freedom.
Definitely. More control for Google.
On one hand, yeah, potentially safer. On the other, less openness. They are planning a streamlined way for developers to verify for external distribution, though.
And they said they won't check the content of those external apps.
Right. Just verify the developer. It's well, it's a delicate balance they're trying to strike.
Yeah.
Securing the ecosystem without totally locking it down.
A tightrope walk, for sure.
Okay. So, what does all this mean? We've got robot brains, 1,000-year memory, dirt power, Android changes.
Well, if we zoom out, maybe connect it to a bigger picture, there's often this cycle people talk about. You see it repeat over history, maybe 180 years or so.
What kind of cycle?
It starts with some revolutionary technology,
Yeah.
then capital floods in, then you often get a speculative frenzy,
Like a bubble.
sometimes, yeah, followed by a sudden reality check. Correction. We've discussed some incredible innovations today, no doubt. The question maybe for you listening is, thinking about that cycle tech capital frenzy reality check, where do you think we might be right now?
That's definitely something to mull over as all this continues to unfold, something to keep an eye on.
Indeed.
Well, that's about all we have time for today on what I guess we could call Tech Tuesdays here at Vocal Technologist. Thanks for joining us for this exploration. Keep that curiosity going, and we'll catch you next time.
Spoken Tech for your ears.